Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain the hospital management system code. And here we have a patient class, which is a patient in hospital management. Here we have initialized patient details such as a first name, surname, age, mobile, postcode, and symptoms said to be known. This method returns full name. This method returns surname, and get age returns age. Get mobile is mobile numbers. Get post returns postcode, and set first name return update the first name. Set last name update last name. Set age update age. Set mobile numbers update mobile numbers. Set postcode update postcode. Set symptoms update the symptoms. Get doctor returns doctors. Set doctors update the doctor details. Link does the link patient to doctor and vice versa. Print symptoms update the symptoms. Get symptoms does return the symptom of the patient, and this str returns the all the patient detail in formatted. Let's look at the doctor class. Here we have initialized doctor with first name, surname, and specialty, and self.patient is empty list, and self appointment is empty list. Here this method returns full name. Get first name returns first name. Set first name update the first name. Get surname returns surname. Set surnames update the surnames. Get specialty returns specialty of the doctors. Set specialty update the specialty of doctors. Add patient. Here we can add patient. Get patient. Here we can returns the patient details. And self appointment dot append. Here we can appoint or set an appointment, and this appoint returns the appointment, and str returns the prints patient detail in format way. Let's look at the admin. Here we have imported doctor patient. To get the method and attributes of doctor and patient, we have imported from the patient and doctors. Let's look at the admin classes. Here we have set initialize surname, password, and address. Address is set to be empty string. Let's look at the view. This view does print all the, we have a list here parameter. We can set a doctor or patient parameter, and we can print all the details. Here we can log in. Here the code asks the username and password, and if username and password does match with the here main pipe set to be admin and password set to be 123, if it match it returns true and print login, else it will loop. And find index. This find index does, if the index is out of range or if index is not found, whether we type 100 or 200, if it not is in range, it returns false. Here get doctor details. It returns the first name, last name, and specialty of a doctors. Let's look at the doctor management code. Here we have print, choose operation, register, view, update, and delete. OP is equals to input is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to enter 1, 2, 3, 4 according to the we want to update, register, view, update, or delete. If we type OP is equals to 1, it will print register, and first name, last name, and specialty is written from the get doctor details. And if first name is equals to doctor, first name and last name is equals to doctor, print already exist in the list, else it will add another new name, last name, and specialty in the list of the doctors. If OP is equals to return, it will print the details of the doctors. If OP is equals to 3, it will update the doctor details. Here we have seen view doctors, so we can update the according to the view doctors. So we have written index 1, which will return the index 0 of the list. Here we have, this is index 0. Doctor is equals to doctor index. If we write 1, it will return 0 here and print the field to be written 1, 2, 3. If user write once, it will set the new name to this. If new last name is equals to input in the system, here last name is set to be the we input here new last name doctor dot set surname. This will update the surname. This will update the specialty. If OP is equals to 4, this will delete the doctor details from the list of the doctors. View patient. From this method, we can view the patient, assign doctor to patients. We can assign patient to doctor or doctor to patient, vice versa. Here return patient index and here return doctor index. This will link the doctor and patient. This will link patient and doctors. If it is in the list, it will print this and returns, else it returns incorrect. Discharge. From this method, we can discharge the patient from the patient list. This pop method removes and returns the patient that we want to remove, else not found. If you write the patient is out of range, it will print patient index not found. View discharge patient. Here we can see this pop patient in the view discharge patient. Update details. Here we can update the details of the user's name, password, and address. Add patient. This method adds the first name, last name, age, mobile number, post, and new patient is set using a patient class, and this patient is append into this list. Assign symptoms. Here admin can assign the symptoms of the patient manually. Here patient list is printed, and according to the list we can type the index of the patient and set symptoms. Group family. These methods group the patient surnames with their family. If they have John Jones same surname, they will be printed in same list. Else, if the surname is another, it will be printed in another list. Here's this list is empty because we want to append surnames in this list and iterate through this, so we can check if they are in same family or not. Change patient. In this method, we can change the first name of the patient, last name, age, number, postcode, and symptoms. Relocate doctors. It means we have assigned doctor to patient and we can again relocate from patient to doctors from this method. Here print relocate, print ID, it will be printed patient list, and from the patient list we can choose the index If index is not found, it will be returned and the loop will restart, except it will return. And we want to print view doctors, and from this view doctor we can yes we can write the number of the doctor we want to assign, and from this method we can assign or relocate from doctor to patient. Def doctor.patient. If one or many of a patient are doctor to a patient are assigned to a same doctor, we can see from this method an appointment. Let's see at appointment method. From this method we can appoint a doctors according. Let's see at this. It will view the doctors and we want which doctor to be appointed, and if the index is not in the list it will return and the loop will restart. Appointment is equals to, here we can input the month, here we can input the date, this is the whole sum, and from this method we can make an appointment and set to the appointment list. Let's see here, we can append the here appointment per month. Here we can see the doctor appointment per month. It will return len of doctor.appoint and divide by 30. It will return the appointment per month. Symptoms, def symptoms. These symptoms, we can add the symptoms of the, from this method we can add the symptoms of the patient by the admin of the this code and remove patient. This is waste of code, this is no need. Let's see at MinPy. We have imported all the admin, doctor and patient, so we can use the method and attribute of all the patient, doctors and admin. In this method we have pre-existing class of doctor, patient and admin. Let's see the here. When admin choose 1, it will register, view, update, delete doctor. When admin choose 2, discharge patient. 3, view, discharge patient. 4, assign doctor to a patient. 5, update admin details. 6, add patient. 7, assign symptoms. 8, group family. 9, view patient. 10, change patient details. 11, relocate patient doctors. 12, doctor per patient. 13, assign appointment. 14, total number of appointment per month per doctor. 15, number of symptom per patient. 16, quit. If the user types 1, admin doctor management, from here we can see the from this we can access this method of the admin. If OP is equals to 2, it will discharge the patient. Here in OP is equals to 3, we can view discharge patient. In 4, we can assign patient to doctor and vice versa. In 5, we can update admin details. In OP6, we can add patient. Option 7, we can assign symptoms. In option 8, we can group the family of the patient. In 10, we can change the patient details. In 11, we can relocate doctor to patient and vice versa. In OP is equals to 12. Here we print the doctor per patient. In 14, appointment. Here we can see the appointment of the doctors. And OP is equals to 15. Here we can see the symptoms per patient or illness per patient. And here, from this we can break the loop or we can exit the program.